Welcome back to Tom's Kitchen. Today we're doing some bacon. I normally don't do a lot of bacon, but I'm trying to branch out instead of just making dinners and all that good stuff. Make some baked goods. Today we're going to be making a zucchini bread. It's called Kathy's Famous Zucchini Bread. Hope you enjoy. Let's get on to the cooking, or bacon as the case may be. So we're going to start with our baking pans at 8x4s. We're going to grease them up with a little butter. Okay, that's a little much. Take a napkin or paper towel, whichever the case you may have. Okay, I got 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt. To that, we're going to add 1 tablespoon cinnamon, ground cinnamon. And we're going to mix that up. And then we're going to set that aside and get our next ingredients together. Next, we're going to take our mixing bowl, add 3 eggs at room temperature. Add 1 cup coconut oil. Add 3 teaspoons vanilla, and if you know your math, kitchen math, 3 teaspoons equals a tablespoon, so this is homemade vanilla, and make sure you don't drop the lid like I did. Now we're going to add 2 1/4 cup sugar. We're going to beat these together. Now I'm going to cheat. I'm going to go to the electric mixer. What we're doing is called creaming it, make it real smooth. going to add the flour mixture. Beat it some more. Yeah, we'll use a spatula first. Don't worry if it starts getting stiff, because when we add the zucchini, it's going to add more liquid into it. Does the same thing with carrot cake, the carrot cake dough. Set that out to the side. We'll get the zucchini ready, and we add walnuts and cherries. Get that ready. Yeah. Got 2 cups of shredded or grated zucchini. 1 cup dried cherries. 1 cup walnut chopped. As you can see it, and probably here it's getting moisture, a little wet. I'll mix it into everything's mixed together. There we go. Take a so here. Take our pan and divide it evenly, or as evenly as you can get it. Give it a few taps just to get some of the air bubbles that may be trapped in there out. And now we're going to transfer it into the oven, and it'll be about 40 to 60 minutes. So Okay, got 2 cups of shredded or grated zucchini. 1 cup dried cherries. 1 cup walnut chopped. As you can see it, and probably here, it's getting moisture, a little wet. I'll mix it into everything's mixed together. There we go. Take a over here. Take our pan and divide it evenly, or as evenly as you can get it. Give it a few taps just to get some of the air bubbles that may be trapped in there out. And now we're going to transfer it into the oven, and it'll be about 40 to 60 minutes. So, okay, time to take it out of the pan. Got a cooling rack here. And take a butter knife, just slide it along the edge, so just make sure it didn't stick. Plop them out. Pull that off. And repeat. We're going to let them cool for about 20 minutes, and we'll taste them. See you in about 20 minutes. Let's cut off a slice or two.
I'll see you at the table.
Well, let's try this out. Bon appetit. Pretty well. Turned out surprisingly well. Better than I thought it would. Because it's being my first time making zucchini bread. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up, and if you like this video or this type of video, go ahead and subscribe. It's free to subscribe to a YouTube channel, and ring the notification bell so you'll be notified of my next upload. Thank you, and have a great night.